Hi again, friends. I've got another safe organizing tip for you from your friendly neighborhood feminist lawyer. So along with overturning Roe v. Wade, the Supreme Court has just thrown out our rights to hear Miranda before we're arrested. If you're not familiar with what Miranda rights are, I'm sure you've heard it on TV shows when somebody gets arrested and the cop says, you have the right to remain silent, you have the right to an attorney, etc., etc. Those are called your Miranda rights, and up until recently, they've had to read them to you in order for that arrest to be valid. It's called being Mirandized. And if you weren't properly Mirandized, then you were not properly arrested, which means, they're out of luck. And any evidence you may offer, any testimony you may give when they didn't properly Mirandize you would be thrown out of court and wouldn't be able to be used. It taints the whole arrest. It taints the whole investigation if they arrest you improperly without reading you Miranda. But nowadays, the SCOTUS thinks it's totally fine for an officer to forget to read you Miranda, and they can still admit anything that they have found to the court. So there might be people out there getting arrested who have no idea that they have the right to remain silent, and they start giving away testimony against themselves, which could have been covered under their Fifth Amendment right to not testify against yourself. But they didn't know that because the cop forgot to Mirandize them. And the courts are now holding this valid. Consider this your notice of your Miranda rights. I'm going to read you the exact language. You have the right to remain silent and refuse to answer questions. Anything you say may be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to consult an attorney before speaking to the police, and to have that attorney present during questioning now or in the future. So here's what that means for you. If you get arrested, ask for a lawyer, say, I am invoking my right to remain silent, and then shut up. I want a lawyer, and I am invoking my right to remain silent. And that is all you say. Don't say anything else to the cops. Nothing. Anything you say can and will be used against you in court. And with the temperature of the court nowadays, they're going to find anything admissible. Things that normally wouldn't be admissible at all, they're going to find a way to get it in. So know your rights and invoke them. You have the right to remain silent. You have the right to an attorney. You have the right to not answer any questions and not testify against yourself. Use it. I want a lawyer, and I'm invoking my right to remain silent. And then shut up. And then hopefully one of my esteemed colleagues comes to your rescue. Y'all stay safe and keep fighting the good fight.